Step 1. Boiling the egg. Boil the eggs for 30 minutes with salt and vinegar included. Step 2. Cutting. 1. Cut quarter onion into small dice and put them in a cool water for 5 minutes to remove bitter taste. 2. Cut half pickled cucumber into small dice. Squeeze pickled cucumber with a kitchen towel and put them in a mixing bowl. 3. Cut a quarter yellow bell pepper into small dice and put them in a mixing bowl. 4. Slice 1 tomato into 4 pieces and remove water with the kitchen towel. Step 3. Mixing. 1. Drain the oil from the canned tuna with a strainer and spoon. If you don't have strainer, just use the tuna can lid to squeeze it and put them in a mixing bowl. 2. Squeeze onion with the kitchen towel and put them in a mixing bowl. 3. Peel the eggshell and put it in the mixing bowl and mash eggs with a fork. 4. Put 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar and a little salt and a little black pepper. And mix them together, and you can add more seasoning depending on your taste. But remember not to use too much mayonnaise. If it is too much greasy, you can miss the natural tuna flavor. Step 4. Making sandwich. 1. Toast sandwich bread on a pan. 2. Put a bread on a plate. 3. Put a lettuce on a bread. 4. Put tuna filling on a lettuce. 5. Put 2 slices of tomato on a tuna filling. 6. Cover it with other bread. 7. Press it a little to hold together. 8. Cut it in half and put it on a plate. Now tuna sandwich is ready. It looks so yummy and healthy. Tuna with mayonnaise is always right. Now let's enjoy tuna sandwich. If you are satisfied with my video, please subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up and inspiring feedback, and I will keep my channel more developed. Then see you next time. Bye. 안녕.